Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Jyot Dil Se. Today I am going to talk about sun charged water. As we all know, 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered by water. Water is essential for us. Without it, life cannot be dreamed of. Sunlight is our main source of energy. Sunlight is a main element from which all physical life originate and get energized. Sun nurtures the whole creation. The secret of staying healthy and longevity is implied in sun power. The sage of ancient India also knew this thing. Along with water and air, sunlight is also essential for a healthy life. You tell yourself if you saw a worm or bug in your lentils and spices, what do? You put in the sun for a while to eliminate the bug or worm. In the same way, sun charged water helps in eliminating the bacteria, virus, and fungal infections in the body. The diet and the lifestyle that we are following today is the reason behind all health problems. Many people are suffering from vitamin D deficiency, low immunity, anxiety, and depression. But pill is not the only solution. Sun has immense and amazing power to cure many diseases. What is sun charged water? When the water absorbs the sunlight, it develops a charge from the sunlight. Sun charging brings life back to the water and change it from dead water to living water. The water that we are using today, they are stored in plastic tanks or bottles, which is not good at all. Sunlight is available for all of us. This process is very simple and it costs you nothing. Let's see how to make sun charged water. Take a clean and clear glass container. Don't use plastic container as all kind of plastic gives out harmful gases upon heating or burning. These may cause many health problems. Now fill the container with clean filtered water and cover it with the lid. Don't use plastic lid as it may leach chemicals into the water when exposed to heat and light. Take muslin cloth and cover it. Now tie it with the help of a rope or string. Keep in mind that only 3/4 of the bottle or container should be filled with water. You can use glass bottle as well. It is 11 a.m. in the morning and I have kept it on the ground. You can keep it on tile floor, marble floor or cement floor, but do not keep it on grass as by doing so water will not be properly charged. Leave the container for about 5 to 8 hours in sunlight. It is 5 p.m. in the evening and I am opening it. Many powerful substances are produced in it and it has converted from simple water into a tonic. In order to keep the body healthy, it should be consumed in proper quantity and regularly. Consume the water as soon as it charged to obtain the most benefit. Use this water within 24 hours, otherwise it will need to be charged again. One point to be noted here that don't transfer the water in any kind of plastic container. Store it in glass container and consume it either in glass or stainless steel. What is the right dose of sun charged water? 3 doses of the sun charged water can be taken in a day. For children up to 1 year, 2 teaspoons. For children up to 10 years, 4 teaspoons. For teenage and adults, 8 teaspoons. What are the benefits of sun charged water? It boosts the energy level. It promotes the overall sense of well-being. It makes the body more alkaline and makes healing faster. It improves the concentration level. It eliminates the calcium deficiency. It benefits skin also. You can use sun charge water in case of rashes, cuts, bites, lesions. Apply directly on it as it supports healing. You can also use it as eye wash. Sun energy is a free boon of nature. This wasted power requires our efforts. This will not only improve our health, but harmony with nature will also increase. Surya Chikitsa is a big topic and it can't be covered in one video. In this video, I have charged water using white glass container. Different color bottles are also used for sun charging. The scientism of treatment with sun power using different color bottle will be covered in later videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.